In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the leaf spring shackle bracket. To do this repair, you are going to need to remove the leaf spring or just move it out of the way as much as possible. Underneath the axle, I'm going to support it with a pole jack just to take the tension off the leaf spring. We're going to take this lower bolt out, use a 13/16 or a 21mm wrench, and then a 21mm socket on the nut. Take that nut off, then you can take this bolt out. If you have to, you can hammer it out. Pull that out. If your vehicle has a trailer hitch, you're going to have to remove that. I'm going to get a pry bar underneath and just raise up on the shackle. You can use the pole jack and just raise the spring as well. There's a bolt right here, and then there's 3 rivets holding this on. We're going to take the rivets out first and we'll leave the bolt for last. I'm just going to use a grinder and grind the heads off the rivets. Now take this 15 millimeter bolt out. Just use a 15 millimeter socket. Take that out. And the two rivets in the back, the heads are off, but it's still holding this up. I'm just gonna take a hammer, tap it off, and there it is. Just tap these rivets out. Use the air hammer for that one. There we go, pop them out. Now take this plate, slide it in position. I'm gonna put that bolt back in the top. And then the other bolts and nuts and washers can go in. Put a bolt there. And then on the back side, the washer and the nut. And the last bolt, washer and the nut. There is no torque specs for these bolts, so we're just going to tighten them down using the 15 millimeter socket. Just snug them down. I'm going to use a 15 millimeter socket on the back side to hold the nut, and then tighten these down as well. Do the same on these two. Those are tight. Now you can reinstall the leaf spring and slide it back in place. And lower this down, take the bolt, go through the bracket, just make sure it lines up. I'll slide the bolt through. Now I'm going to torque these bolts to 70 foot-pounds. Do the same on the top one. Now I can lower down the pull jack. There we go, that's better.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.